Like this because there is a leakage of question paper when the test was conducted all over the state. So, and when we found that the leakage is confined only to the Dadenggre subdivision, so the test for all the subdivision goes as usual, and result will be declared. And then the Dadenggre subdivision is held afterwards, and then after the conduct of MTET in the Dadenggre, we were supposed to issue advertisement. Then come the MDC election. Which model code of conduct happened? Then after preparation again to conduct the recruitment process in the Dadenggre, then by-election come. And finally, the government have advertised the post in Dadenggre. Subsequently, the judgment of Honorable High Court come to implement the roster system, because we could not conduct the exam even once. That's why those teachers they continue on the contractual basis. And in 2020, the Honorable High Court also has passed the judgment that the contractual teachers have no right for regularized session. So I have explained to them that this is the constraint. Regularized session is out of question. But the government will, because 3-4 months back, the contractual teachers, many of them have passed their MTET, but they are again on the wrong side of age. So today I convey to them what I can do, what the government can do, is that a one-time condonation of age could be given so that they could appear for the recruitment process. So this is the maximum thing as of now, which we as the government will do. So, and regularization is out of question.